Jinan Napo Automation Equipment Company Limited, established in 2019, is a professional company engaged in the research, development, sale and service of fiber laser cutting machine, laser welding machine, laser cleaning machine, laser marking machine, and CO2 laser cutting engraving machine. Applications include electronics, furniture, decoration, metal processing, steel fabrication, advertising signs, and many other industries. We are located in Jinan City with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained CE and FDA certificates. Selling well in domestic around China, our products are also exported to clients in such countries and regions as Europe, America, Canada, Vietnam, Brazil, and Australia, etc. We also welcome OEM and ODM orders. Our focus is on the innovation, continuous improvement, and rapid development of technologies.